Problem number 1. What is the sum of the digits of the square of 111,111,111? Alright, well, we're looking for the square, okay? So we want to look for the sum of the digits when we square this thing. So I'm going to write this out and pretend like I'm actually going to square it and look for a pattern or a shortcut or something, because it looks kind of, those are two big numbers. I could square it, it takes some time, but I'm gonna just start into it and we'll see where we end up. So whenever we multiply two numbers by each other, we take the units digit of the one on the bottom and then we multiply it by the top. And so what are we going to get? We're going to get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? It's just the 1 times the number on the top, okay? And then we drop a 0 because we're dealing with a tens digit next, right? So this is essentially 10 times this. So we just have, it's just the same thing with the 0. So 1, 1, 1. I'm going to try to keep my numbers lined up. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? So that's 10 times that. And then we would take 100 times that, right? So we drop 2 zeros, and then we would have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? And you can see that we would just keep, adding more zeros to the right side, and then the left side would, kind of overhang by one more each time, right? So let's zip ahead and put dot dot dot. So what's when we finally take this digit times the whole thing? So that's 100 million times this. So we would end up with 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops, what am I going too far here? I went 8. I'm too busy trying to figure out how to get them all lined up. Okay. So we'd have 8 zeros, right? There's those 8 zeros, and then we'd have 9 ones. So we'd have 1, 1, 1. Okay, so there's kind of a comma there. I'm going to keep these grouped. And then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's all we need. Alright, so that's our last number. Right? So let's add those up. Right? So our units digit, just 1 plus a bunch of zeros, so that's 1. Then we have 2 plus a bunch of zeros, that's 2. 1, 2, 3, and the rest will be zeros. 3. So you see a pattern going on here, right? So you can imagine the next one's going to be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then this is going to be 9. All these are going to be 1s all the way down. And we've taken, we'll end up having 9 rows here, right? Because we have 9 digits in this number. So we'll have 9 rows of numbers here. So this is going to be a 9. Okay? And then what's going to happen? See, up here we have nothing, right? So we have 1 less. So this is going to be 8, 7, 6, and then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright? So hey, look at that. We found the whole square. But we have to remember that the problem is asking for the sum of the digits of the square. So I have to add up all these digits. So I'm going to write it in a special way. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. Okay, that takes care of these first 9 digits. And then I'm going to write the other ones like this. 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Alright? I'm adding up all the digits. Okay? And the reason I write it like this is because I compare numbers to make 9, right? So here we have 9. 1 and 8 is 9. 2 and 7 is 9. So essentially we've got a bunch of 9s that we need to add up. Alright? And how many 9s do we have to add up? Well, you can see there's 9 of them, right? Because we have 9 across the top. So essentially that's 9 times 9, which is 81. Alright? And that is the sum of the digits of the square of 111,111,111.